Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare delicious pickled cucumbers, step by step. First, select fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally pickling varieties like Kirby or Persian. Wash them thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any dirt. Then, trim about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch from both ends of each cucumber. Finally, slice them into your preferred shapes, such as spears, rounds, or chips, ensuring even pickling. Next, let's craft the perfect pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine water, vinegar, salt, and sugar. A good starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio of vinegar to water for a balanced flavor. Now, enhance your brine with pickling spices like fresh dill, mustard seeds, and a few garlic cloves. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, stirring until all the salt and sugar have completely dissolved. This hot brine is crucial for flavor. Now it's time to pack your jars. First, sterilize your glass jars and lids in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. Carefully remove them and tightly pack your prepared cucumber slices into the clean, hot jars. You can also add extra fresh dill sprigs and garlic cloves for more flavor. Then, carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Finally, let's seal and store your delicious pickles. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any air bubbles from the jars, then wipe the rims clean. Securely place the lids and bands on the jars, tightening them just finger tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes. After processing, allow the pickled cucumbers to cool completely before storing them in a cool, dark place. Enjoy your homemade pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.